Hello everyone. We're in Oatman, Arizona today. Oatman's an old mining town established in 1918. It's here in the western side of Arizona, and it's right on the historic Route 66. Some people call this a ghost town, but I think there's still some businesses open, so it's not a total ghost town. We'll find out when we walk through. We're in the parking lot here. As soon as we get into town, I'll turn the camera back on. Oh, one other thing I wanted to mention, on the drive in here, a lot of the bushes along the side of the road were decorated with Christmas decorations. And the other thing, you might see some wild burros. They're all over the place. We've seen quite a few last couple days. I think there might even be some in town here. And it'd be interesting to see how Star reacts with the burros. Okay, we'll see you in a little bit.
You roast him right here, huh?
Well, as expected, here's some burros. And Star's excited. Come here. Sit. Star, sit. Let's see how long this lasts. The sitting, it's a stare down.
Yeah.
We're checking each other out. What are you going to do? Here comes, they're getting closer. Be nice. You can't jump, you're going to scare them. You have to be nice. All right, that's enough. Come on, let's go this way. Come here. Sit down. Now you're afraid. You were all gung-ho a little while ago. Now you're afraid. That was interesting. There's more across the street. Star loves to look in the stores. Like she always wants to go in. There's an open door to a store. She's going to go in. No, come on. go over here. This way. Burros are pretty tame. People can walk up and feed them and pet them. There's a couple more. That's pretty much the whole town. At the end, let's turn around. We'll shoot some of the other side. Star, what'd you think of the burros? You got scared. They're big. No. Oh, you're keeping your distance now. Now you know better. Okay.
He's having a good time.
Oh yeah, she got close to him before and then she got a little spooked by how big they were. Yeah, see? See? That's what happens, get too close.
These are.
What are you doing? I think Star's had enough of walking around here. She's getting a little skittish. I think she got a little too much of the burros. So I'm going to put her back in the van. And I'm going to turn the camera off and I'm going to come back, walk around by myself a little bit. See if I can maybe find a cup of coffee and a pastry or something, a little something to snack on. Typical little tourist town. I don't know why they call it a ghost town. Everything seems to be open, nothing really deserted around here. But definitely worth stopping in and visiting. Alright, that's going to do it for me on this video. We'll see you the next time, and I appreciate you watching if you're still watching, and greatly appreciate if you would subscribe and hit the like button. And until the next time, keep smiling, be grateful, and all shall be well. Bye, everyone.